Good morning students, myself Dr. Shantini Bhattacharya, Assistant Professor of EC Department, ASRM Institute of Science and Technology, Kattankulathu, Chennai. Today I am going to explain Quine Mccluskey minimization technique. So this is my content. I am starting now. So this is actually the problem. The problem is given that minimize the following expression, that means y a b c d equals to summation of small m 0 1 3 7 8 9 11 15. So here you can easily understand that small m and summation is there, so you have to final expression will be in the soft form. So now here basically we will consider a is a most significant bit and D is the least significant bit. Now starting with the process, first there are some almost 5 to 6 steps are there. So step 1 is, first of all of you know that what is the equivalent, how to convert the decimal number to binary equivalent number. So if you don't know, so just go and watch my previous video in number system video, where I very clearly explain how to convert the any decimal number in a 4-bit binary number. So here actually all decimal number, that means 0 to 15 number, here basically represented as in a 4-bit binary number. So it is actually very briefly I am explaining that this is the 8421 method. By this method basically all decimal number is expressed in a 4-bit binary number. So now here also all these numbers are present, 0 1 3 7 8 9 11 15. Now only we will concentrate on this number, whatever the number is given in this question. Okay, now step 2 is basically, now first of all, based on this whatever the question is given, based on this number, first of all we have to make a group where how many numbers of ones are present. Okay, so based on the number of ones we will make a group. Okay, so this is the first group 0, where this is only in the group 0 that number will come where no 1 will be there. Okay, so this is only the decimal number 0 where no 1 is there. So we will actually it is written as m0, so it is 0 0 0 0. This is decimal number 0 where no 1 is there. Now in the group 1, now we have to find out where in all these number, among this all number, in which number only one actually only one is there, only one is there. Okay, so here actually in the case of decimal number 1, this is only one binary number is there, 0 0 0 1, and also in the case of decimal number 8 also you can see there is only a 1 1. Okay, so we will represent these two number, that means m1 and 8. So here this is 0 0 0 1, this is decimal number 1, and 1 0 0 8 1 0 0 0, this is decimal number 8. Now we will concentrate on that number where 2 ones are there. Okay, so here we can see m3 and m9. Based on this problem, m3 and m9, there are 2 ones are there, that means 0 0 1 1. So this is 3, and 1 0 0 1, this is 9. Okay, then group 3, that means almost 3 ones are there. Okay, so here 7 is represented as 0 1 1 1, and 11 is represented as 1 0 1 1. Now group 4, where 4 ones are there. So this is actually the representation of 15 decimal number. Now we will go to the next step. Third step, what is the step? Now we have to compare each and every group and make a group in this way that where only one bit change actually it will occur. Okay, only one bit change will occur. So first of all we will compare M0 and M1. Okay, then we will compare M0 to M8. Okay, so first starting with M0 and M1. So M0 is represented as 0000 and M1 is 0001. So you can easily understand that here only one bit change is there. So this is 0 last bit, that means least significant bit. You can see this is in the case of M0 this is 0, but in the case of M1 this is least significant bit is 1. So there is a one bit change is there. So we will write this is actually the binary representation in this way 000 star, where basically this position basically one bit change has occurred. Okay, now we will again compare M0 to M8. Okay, M8 is 1000. So you can easily understand in the most significant bit there is only the change is there. So we will represent it in such a way star 000 star after that 30. Now these two comparison already covered. Now we will go to the next group. Okay, next group means M1 M8 and M3 M9. In this case we will compare first M1 M3 and M1 M9, then again we will compare M8 M3 and M8 M9. Okay, so starting with M1 M3. Okay, M1 is 0001 and M3 is 0011. So you can see in the third bit here is actually the change, here 0001 and this is 0011. So in the third bit there is a change. So we will write in this way that here M1 M3 comparison 00 star 1, because in this third bit basically one bit change happened. Okay, now we will compare M1 and M9. So M1 is 0001 and M9 is 1001. So in the case of M1, only M1 and M9 we can see only in the most significant bit, that means this bit 0 and here 1. Okay, but other bits are same 001, this is also 001. So we will concentrate that we can also understand that 0 and 1 bit is changed. So we will write here in the comparison of M1 and M9 star 001. Okay, now we will compare M8 and M3. M8 is 1000 and M3 is 0011. But you can see in this comparison that there are first bit, that means most significant bit, there is one bit change 0 and 1 and 0. Then next bit are same 00. Then again third bit, so here also 0 and 1 again change. Here also fourth bit 0 and 1 again change. So here actually 3 bit change. So we will not consider this particular comparison. So we will go to the next comparison, that means M8 and M9. So in the case of M8 1000 and M9 is 1001. So here we can see only the least significant bit is changed. So we will write M8 to M9 is 100 star. That means in the least significant bit there actually one bit change happened. Okay, now we will again compare M3 and M7 and also M3 in the next group, actually M3 M7, M3 M11, then M9 M7 and M9 M11. Okay, let's start. M3 is 0011 and M7 is 0 1 1 1. So you can easily understand in the second bit there is a change. So in the case of comparison M3 M7 we will write 0 star 1 1. Okay, then we will go to the next comparison M3 M11. Okay, so M3 is 0 0 1 1, M11 is 1 0 1 1. So there is in the most significant bit you can see that there is a change. That means in this there is a 0, there is a 1. So we will write star, that means M3 and M11 star 0 1 1. Okay, now we will compare M9 and M7. Okay, so M9 is 1 0 0 1 and M7 is 0 1 1 1. But here we can see that first bit, that means most significant bit is changed, then again second bit is changed, third bit is changed, only fourth bit are same. So there are actually 3 bit change. So we will not consider only 1 bit change comparison, we will only consider. So now we will take M3 M9 M9 M11. M9 is 1 0 0 1 and M11 is 1 0 1 1. Okay, so here you can see only third bit, that means this is 0, this is 1, otherwise other bits are same, 1 0, here also 1 0, then third bit is changed 0 1, fourth bit 1 1. So we will write in the case of M9 M11 1 0 0 star. Okay, so now we will go to the next comparison M7 M15 and M11 M15. Okay, so here M7 M15 you can see that there is a 0 1 1 1 and here 1 1 1 1 M15. So only most significant bit there is a change. So we will write star 1 1 1 1. Star 1 1 1. Okay, then M11 and M15. M11 is 1 0 1 1 and M15 is 1 1 1 1. So in the second bit only change. So we will write 1 star 1 1. Now going to the next step. Just in this position I have already written the same third step, same thing, whatever I have already explained, these all thing, 1 bit change, all the comparison already I have discussed in the previous slide. Now next step is step 4. Step 4 is again you can see, if you see again you will compare from group 0 to group 1, again you can see there is a 1 bit change is still you can continue, you can compare 1 bit change. Okay, you can see. So until unless this comparison this 1 bit change happens, you have to continue this process. So now we will do again, that means group 0. Here again we will compare M0 M1 to M1 M3. Okay, so here 0 0 0 star and here 0 0 star 1. Okay, so here actually we cannot compare because there is a 2 bit change. In the third bit this is 0 star and fourth bit star 1. So we cannot compare in this case. Again M0 M1 and M1 M9. So here also 0 0 0 star and here star 0 0 1. So in the most significant bit and in the least significant bit there are 2 bit change. Then again M0 M1 and M8 M9. Okay, we will compare again. So 0 0 0 star and here 1 0 0 star. So you can easily understand in the most significant bit there is only 1 bit change happened here. So here 0, here 1, other bits are same, 0 0 star, here also 0 0 star. So you can write in this way, you can form a group that M0 M1 M8 M9, that means star 0 0 star. Okay, then again we will make we will start comparison M0 M8 to M1 M3. Okay, so M0 M8 is star 0 0 0 and M1 M3 is 0 0 star 1. So you can see in the most significant bit 1 bit change, and also third bit also 1 bit change, so we will not consider this. Okay, then next M0 M8 and M1 M9. So here star 0 0 0 and here star 0 0 1. So you can see there is a that means least significant bit, there is only one bit change happened. Okay, so we will consider this comparison. So M0 M8 M1 M9. So M0 M8 M1 M9. So we will write in this way, that means star 0 0 star. Okay, then again we will compare M0 M8, that means star 0 0 0 with M8 M9. There is a 1 0 0 star. So you can see in the most significant bit first star, here 1. So 1 bit change, then again 0, then again 0, in the least significant bit again change. Okay, so we will not consider this comparison also. Okay, then coming to the next group, that means group 1, here M1 M3 and M3 M7 comparison first, then M1 M3 M3 M11, then M1 M3 M9 M11 comparison. And from this all comparison we can see only M1 M3 M9 M11 only there is a 1 bit change happened, and in the case of M1 M9 comparison to M3 M7 also it will not consider M1 M9 M3 M11, here only 1 bit change. Okay, and other M8 M9 with others it is not, no other 1 bit change will happen, so we will not consider. Then again group 2 and group 3 comparison, that means M3 M7 and M7 M15 and M3 M7 M11 M15, then again M3 M11 M7 M15. In this way each and every component we have to compare with the other group component. Okay, so here also you can see that M3 M7 M11 M15, in this comparison M3 M7 M11 M15, there you can see this is 0 star 1 1 and this is 1 star 1 1. So only in the most significant bit only 1 bit change. Okay, so we will consider this one. And also M3 M11, that means M3 M11 and M7 N15, here that means star 0 1 1 and star 1 1 1, that means in the second bit there is a 1 bit changes already happened. So we have written in this way. Now step 5. Step 5 is, after completing this again we can check that whether any 1 bit change will happen. So if it will happen then you have to continue, but in this problem it will not happen. So we will go to the next step, that means step number 5, where at that moment group 0 whatever here it is written, so you have to write same thing, that means M0 M1 M8 M9, this is represented as star 0 0 star, and M0 M8 M1 M9, this is represented as also star 0 0 star, and group 1 group 2 also same. Okay, now in that case actually here minimized form is actually like that, whatever the binary representation here we will only concentrate 0 and 1 value. So here 0 0 is here, so we can write as a B bar C bar. Okay, so both are in the 0 0 combination, so B bar C bar. Here this is actually ABCD form, so this is the second bit and this is the fourth bit, this one. So in this case group 1 there is a B, that means B bar, and C it will come. Okay, minimized form. And in the case of group 2 it will come CD. Okay, now we will go to the step number 6. This is actually the last step of this process. Okay, so what we have to do, these are called actually prime implicant. So we have to write in this way all prime implicant, B bar C bar, B bar D and CD. And min term involved, that means what are the min term involved here? Here is in the case of B bar C bar it is involved 0 1 8 9. So it is written in the same way. Okay, in the case of b bar d, that means here prime implicant b bar d, here it is involve 1 3 9 11. So here also written 1 3 9 11. And also case of cd, it is written 3 7 11 15. So 3 7 11 15. Now mean term given in this problem, that means whatever the problem you have seen, these numbers are given in the summation of m, like that question already you have seen in the previous actually in the previous slide. You can see the question where all these numbers are mentioned. That means y equals to summation of m bracket 0 1 3 7 8 9 11 15. This was the question. So these are actually mean term given in the problem. Okay, so now you have to actually only give a cross mark where this mean term, these numbers are there. So here 0 is there, so we will give a cross mark here. 1 is there, we will give a cross mark here. 8 and 9 also, 8 and 9 cross marks. Okay, in the next prime implicant b bar d, 1 3 9 11. So here 1 3 9 11. Then in the case of cd, 3 7 11 15. So 3 7 this is 11, this is 15. Next step is you have to find out where only single cross is there. If there is any single cross, you have to mark a circle. So like that, here in the case of in the column 0, that means in the mean term 0, you can see there is a single cross mark, so we will circle it. Okay, so then in the case of 7 there is also a single cross. In the case of 1 and 3 there are 2 crosses are there, so we will not consider this. Only the 7 also there is a single cross. Okay, so we will circle it. Then 8 number column also single cross, so we will circle it. And also 15 number column there is a single cross, we will circle it. Then we will consider for the final expression only this b bar c bar, wherever actually the single crosses are there. That means in this b bar c bar row, this row we will consider, and also cd row we will consider. So final expression or final minimized expression, you can say it will come b bar c bar plus cd. Okay, so this is the final expression. Hope you can understand. If you have any problem, give me the this problem in the comment section. I'll try to solve all this problem. Now coming to the advantage. What is the advantage of this technique? It can be used to minimize the expression of any inputs which is not so easy for doing by using K maps, okay, or Karnaugh map. So basically it is used for that means when the variables will be 5 or more. For this purpose it is basically this type of method basically used. But disadvantage, you can understand, this is very complex. There are almost 5 to 6 steps are there. So during the during this type of when we will do, then there may be some error. So we will try to avoid this type of techniques. If it is possible by using a K-map you can solve, then definitely you will use the K-map. Otherwise you will use this Quine Mccluskey minimization technique. Thank you so much. Keep watching my videos. I hope you understand. And I have already said, if you have any doubt, then give me the question in the comment section. We'll try to solve. Thank you.